Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist with Ageless Derma. Today I'm going to show you how to get natural glowing skin with mineral makeup. So I'm using a concealer brush. It's a flat concealer brush, just tapping, and I'm just going to add a little bit lightly under my eyes. This is a cream. And then I have a side to blend. If you don't have that, then you can just lightly use your fingers in a tapping motion and tap. I'm going to use pressed mineral powder. That's going to give me more like a medium coverage. So whatever your desired coverage is, you can just keep applying very gently and lightly in circular motions to get that coverage. And so what I'm going to do next is choose a blush color. I'm going to be using the Ageless Derma. And this is the color. It's more of like a bronze. The actual color itself is warm caramel. And this is a great color because I can do a little bit of cheek sculpting with it also and warming the skin. So I'm going to use an angled brush. And I'm going to start in the hollow of my cheek, lifting up. And this is just a really beautiful, natural bronze glow type of color that I can also use to kind of contour the cheek a little bit with too. I'm going to apply just a little bit of our Glow Gold highlight powder. This is going to give a really beautiful glow if you like that glow look. So just lightly tapping on the edge of my brush, and I'm just going to swipe up on a little bit under my eyes, right on the top of the cheekbone, and then very slightly down the bridge of my nose and right in the middle of my lip. I'm using the Trio from Ageless Derma Mineral Eyeshadows. I'm going to start with the lighter tone of the Trio. This is like the Berry Trio. And just brush a little bit on the lid. I'm using a flat brush for eyeshadow. And then I'm going to get a little bit of the light shade. Tap it right under my eyebrow very slightly and softly. And then I'm going to go to the medium shade of the Trio. It's like a medium light mauve berry. And just slightly wipe that on the outside of the lid. Not the whole thing, just the outside. And then lastly, there's a darker color of the Trio. It's a berry. I'm going to use that for a little bit more of my contrast color. So I'm going to get my fluff blending brush. I'm going to tap that darker color. And then slightly come to the outside of the eye. In that little corner, make a V with this. Use circular motions and kind of bring it into the middle of the eye. And then last thing that we'll want to add is going to be our lipstick. So I'm going to choose something that's has a little bit of an iridescence in it. This is also from Ageless Derma. The color is Starlit. So it has kind of like a rose bronze iridescence to it, just to give me a little glow. And that's how to get glowing mineral makeup skin. For product use and information that we used on this video, go ahead and click the link below. If you would like to see more videos like this and tutorials, please go to agelessderma.com.